Here we have an Audi TT RS, and it's a 2020 model. And what we installed is a Pandora Mini BT Alarm and Immobiliser. Now, the system is insurance approved, and basically, as well as having an alarm system, has its own immobiliser, like I mentioned. This car has a smart key. So basically, additional security on this is a must, and this is not a bad system to have for this car. Now, it already has its own factory alarm and immobiliser from Audi, but once you've cloned that, you've bypassed it, and basically the car is gone. So having the additional alarm system that we put in there, without the unique tag that the alarm system comes with, you cannot disarm the alarm system, and nor can you disengage the immobiliser, so regardless if you're cloning that. So you get past the Audi system, but you're not going to get past the Pandora system. Now, come to unlock it, the tag is not present, so the alarm system cannot see the tag. So I'm going to demonstrate how it is without the tag. So I come to unlock it. There's no beeps, there's no external chirps that the Pandora system gives. The alarm system is now going off because it cannot detect the tag. And if I try to start it, it's completely immobilised. So the car will not start. So I'm going to now unlock it, and now I'm going to introduce the tag to the alarm system. Right, so this is a tag. You can see from the size of the key. Well, you don't have to do anything with it. It's all about proximity. So as long as you've got it with you, when you come to unlock it, you hear the chirps. You can now disarm the alarm system, and you disengage the immobiliser. So now I can start it. As so. The alarm system also has a tilt sensor, motion sensor, shock sensor, warn-away shock sensor, so it's quite a comprehensive system. It protects all the doors and the boot and the bonnet. The sensors could be adjusted on an app, so you could actually physically adjust them on the app, and the app would also tell you if the alarm triggered and you wonder why that's triggered, the app will tell you what's triggered the alarm system. Now, being the Mini BT is only Bluetooth range, so when you're outside of Bluetooth range, the app will not work. But as long as you're in Bluetooth range, you could communicate with the alarm system with your phone app. So it's quite a comprehensive system and quite advanced, really. So that's the Audi TT RS, which is the 2020 model, and we fitted the Pandora Mini BT, which is an alarm and immobiliser.